Hello people, I have got an important video tutorial for you about a scalp brush, just a brush itself. I wanted to talk about one option called surface because I checked that option and I wanted to say about this more little bit because I find it useful, especially when I model something here, when I create model of the suit, because it would be useful for me to create suit of this vintage picture of the guy who had been taken probably 100 years ago. And one thing I wanted to talk, normally when you use smear brush, you move vertices of another side of polygon. I discovered when I turn the surface on, that option, I only move a point which belongs to this side of the stroke. So, for example, you see the review when you place cursor of your mouse here, you only drag that point. But when you turn surface off, you cannot do that. I find it useful, people. So today I will be modifying characters suit. I just have to check. This gets narrow when you go from top to bottom. So I have to do similar. I think I have to move a little bit. My character may not look the same because I still have to adjust ears, but this guy also has large ears when you look at him. Okay, you can see I only move vertices, visible vertices, which are on this side of the polygon. Oh, you can see that option is not active. When we deselect the surface, we can select this. I like very much this option. To be honest with you, this option I find it useful. Also, I forgotten to tell you about another option. Another option of the brush, what I like, is preserve boundary. What it means, you can grab vertices here, but it will not affect entire polygon. It will not affect borders of that polygon. You cannot move vertices here when you select option preserve boundaries. So let's finish the t-shirt. I still have to finish. When you hold the middle mouse button and you move mouse to the left, you decrease brush size. When you move when you hold the middle mouse button and you drag mouse to the right and you increase size. When you hold the middle mouse button and you go up, you increase brush strength. If you go down, you decrease brush strength. I could actually use scalp brushes, but I will not be using scalp brushes because the issue with scalp brushes, it cannot move invisible points. The new scalp brushes tool. Also, I have to check. This guy has also separate part of the suit, which I have to probably extrude. But probably in later video because I have to check if I'm supposed to extrude those edges. This suit supposed to be darker. I will probably edit in one of the editing application. The new version of GIMP it has been released. GIMP 2.936, I believe. 2.10.36. It has been released a couple of days ago, but I prefer GIMP 2.99.16. Like it works like Photoshop. I like both programs, but GIMP is free and it doesn't have issue. I don't think Photoshop is okay, but I think I missed some features which Photoshop doesn't have. Photoshop doesn't have the same tools. They are similar, but they work different. I'm already got used to Photoshop. Okay, I can now save project and use this option because this will delete all undo operations. Okay, I think I will have to export my texture and I want to make it a little bit darker like a suit of this guy. Okay, have a nice day, people. I hope you like my new video tutorial. I don't know how many people were talking about those tools, what I told you. Okay, I don't use symmetry. One thing I wanted to mention, do not turn symmetry on while you are using sculpt brush. The reason is because for some reasons it is lagging. It lags and it stops working. And I turn symmetry off when I use sculpt brush because sometimes it stops working. It doesn't work fast. Or you can see it lags a little bit. So I turn this off. I don't know why this happens, but I told you just in case if you notice the same problem in Cinema 4D 2024.1.0 update.